Hey, so a sequence is a set of numbers in a particular order. So I could have a sequence like 1, 2, 3. Those are in order. I could have a sequence of letters A, B, C. Those are in a particular order. I could have something that goes like 0, 10, 0, 10, 0, 10. So they follow a pattern. Any set of numbers that follows some kind of pattern or some sort of order, we would call a sequence. And there's lots of kinds of sequences, and one of them is called an arithmetic sequence. And that's where if you take the difference between terms that are next to each other, um, all the terms have the same difference. So here the difference of 5 and 3 is 2. The difference of 7 and 5 is 2. The difference of 9 and 7 is 2. Okay, so in each term is a jump of 2 away from the next term. So uh, if I start with 13, if I go back 2, I get to 11. If I go forward 2, I get to 15. So they have uh, the difference between the terms is always the same, is constant. So we have a special word for what 2 is for this sequence, and that's called the common difference. Okay, so for this sequence up here, the common difference is 2. Let's figure out the common difference for this arithmetic sequence. So what you do is you take a term, you look at what's to the right of it, you take that number to the right and subtract the number to the left. So 0 minus 2 is negative 2. So the jump there is negative 2. Um, now I'm looking at 0. I look to the right. I've got negative 2 minus 0. The one before it is negative 2. Let's start with negative 2. Let's look to the right. That's negative 4. So negative 4, go back to the left, minus negative 2. That's a lot of negatives right there. Negative 4 minus negative 2. Two minuses cancel out, and it's positive. So negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. So we know this is an arithmetic sequence because the jump between all the terms is negative 2. And so we would say their common difference of the terms is negative 2.